The coronavirus pandemic has forced this year's IPL tournament to be suspended till further notice. There is a possibility of 2020 being the first year without IPL since the league's inaugural edition in 2008. BCCI, however, have kept the cards close to their chest and have kept their options open for hosting IPL later this year once the situation improves. We understand you are waiting impatiently and might be having a FOMO, so here's Traits of Everything Presents, recollection of the all-time most memorable moments in IPL history. Number 1. McCullum opens the IPL in style. As Brendan McCullum prepared to face up to the first ball of the first season, we all waited with bated breath for what would follow. McCullum made the first IPL game one to remember. He finished on an unbeaten 158 of just 73 balls with 10 fours and an astonishing 13 sixes. Fans had never seen such an audacious display of batting before. The IPL was a hit overnight. McCullum's knock gave the fans a trailer of exciting times ahead. Number 2. Kumble's magic spell. The statistics say it all for legendary Indian spinner Anil Kumble after almost single-handedly demolishing the Rajasthan Royals. Defending a respectable total, you would require a great bowling effort, and Anil Kumble produced one of the finest spells in the history of IPL. In a display of accurate and controlled spin bowling, he ran through Rajasthan's batting lineup. His figures were sensational. 5 wickets for just 5 runs in 3.1 overs, including a maiden. Number 3. Pathan's whirlwind century. Normally, when the run rate gets into double figure, it's curtain for the chasing team. In this case, the Rajasthan Royals, who needed 212. However, despite the run rate rising to more than 14, Yusuf Pathan recorded what at the time was the fastest T20 turn of just 37 balls to make his team to the brink of victory. Pathan walked in at 40 for 3 and immediately began dispatching the ball to various parts of Mumbai Stadium. He reached his 100 in just 37 balls, the fastest IPL 100 then. Unfortunately, just before he could take his team across the line, Pathan was run out. The Royals ended 4 run shots of the target. Number 4. Clash of the Titans. The best batsman in the world and then best bowler in the world at the time had a face-off in a heated contest. AB de Villiers needed 39 of 3 overs against countryman Steyn, who was bowling at 90 miles per hour. Bounces were hooked, slower balls dismissed, Yorkers smashed over extra cover, and length balls scooped over fine leg. The game was done with 7 balls still left, and Steyn couldn't help but applaud. Number 5. A gale storm hits Pune. Forget the test replays and the World Cup double. This is the universe was defining moment. The 2012 match between Royals and Bangalore and the Pune Warriors had 2 storms in a day. First, the rainstorm, and then the storm unleashed by Chris Gayle. Halfway through the innings, 200 didn't seem impossible. He shattered many records in the match, including the fastest century and the highest score in a T20 match. Number 6. In added time. One for the mathematicians. Thanks to the miracles of net run rate, Mumbai Indians needed to surpass Rajasthan Royals 189 within 14.3 overs to qualify for the playoffs and push Royals down into 5th place. Corey Anderson's 95 of 44 got them close, but when Ambati Rayudu was run out going for a match-winning second, it seemed all over. But was it? Confusion reigned as Mumbai Indians boffins put their heads together and calculated that the extra runs from a boundary would push the run rate up just enough to seal the deal. Aditya Tare came in to face his first ball and duly smashed the James Faulkner full toss over a square leg for 6, breaking Royals' hearts. Number 7. Gillies bowling. Perhaps the tournament's most heartwarming moment. Adam Gilchrist, Walker, Smiler and Good Bloke was playing his last ever game of professional cricket and with the match in the bag handed the gauntlets to Praveen Kumar and decided to give himself a bowl. With his first ball in the format, Office if you were wondering, he coaxed Harbhajan Singh into a slog and then the ball nested in the hands of Longhorn, sealing the game for his team. Huge jubilant, unfettered celebrations. With an economy and average of 0 and a strike rate of 1, Gilchrist has unquestionably the best record of any bowler. Number 8. Pondulkar. Sachin Tendulkar and Ricky Ponting, 2 of the GOATs, opened for Mumbai Indians against Royal Challengers Bangalore. One of the best things about the IPL is watching the best players in the world who would normally be competing against each other take the field together for the same team. To complete the dream combination, the 6th over of this match was bowled by the man with 1,347 international wickets, Muthiah Muralidharan. When Sachin unveiled that straight drive, we were truly in heaven.
Just getting his front leg out of the way.
Number 9. Third time's the charm. A true comedy of errors. We can do our best to describe, but few moments define the word inexplicable more perfectly.
We've seen some bizarre run-outs. Now here we go. Sanju Samson, he's got the big gloves on. Misses. Right, where's the batsman? Halfway through. Faulkner. What does he do? Misses. Now what does he do? What's the batsman doing?
Number 10. Shane Watson bats with a bleeding knee. The 2019 IPL final between Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings saw Shane Watson score a brilliant knock of 80 runs off 59 deliveries, even as he was finally outsmarted by the winning side. An evening later, ace spinner Harbhajan Singh revealed that Watson batted while he had a bloodied knee. Even though CSK lost, Watson will be remembered for his memorable innings. Number 11. Pollard's hat-trick of drops. An incredible passage of play saw Kieron Pollard drop Michael Hussey 3 times in 3 deliveries. Number 12. Ashwin Mankart's Ross Butler. We witnessed the first controversy of the 2019 edition when Kings XI Punjab skipper Ravindra Chandra Ashwin Mankarted Joss Butler of Rajasthan Royals. While Ashwin went by the rule book and the dismissal was later deemed legal by the MCC, critics banned Ashwin for being against the spirit. Number 13. Spider-Man catch. AB de Villiers seems to make it a habit of being spectacular in whatever he does on a cricket field, and his gravity-defying catch made one of the most memorable moments of IPL. So that was the list, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And stay home, stay safe and stay tuned.